Hey guys, in this video I will show you how can you reset the password of your Brainly account. Many times it happens that you lose your password and logged out of your own Brainly account. The method is easy, but you should be authenticated. That you should be the real owner of your account, else this method will not work. Because this method is really secure, uh, I will show you this whole process. Just have a look. First of all, I have created a new Brainly account especially for this video. The username is forgot password, and suppose I do not know the password of this account and type any random password and we log in. You can see here it's telling wrong login or password. Now what to do in this case? You have an option right here, forgot your password. Simply click on this. Then it will ask you to enter an email. Make sure you do not enter any other email other than the one you used when you sign up your account. I used this email while signing in. Then click on I forgot my password. You can see Brainly has sent the recent link to my email. Now let's check the email box, the inbox. Well, you can see now here we have got our reset link. See over here, click on reset your password. I have used just a random email server, but you can use anyone. I suggest you use Gmail, it's very secure. Now see, we have got email from Brainly and say it's written, you have asked to reset your password. To continue with this process, follow the instructions after clicking below. It is written, click here to reset your password. That's your reset link. Simply click on it. Now see, create a new password. You have successfully reset your password. Now just create a new one. Remember, it should be at least 6 characters long. Now you can simply create any password. Let's suppose it is anything I will be writing, but it should be correct one. I have set my password, and now see, I would click on save a new password. And see, the password is reset. See here, password reset, password successfully reset. Now again, let's use the same password over here. See over here, we are logged in. That's it. You have reset your password and it's working 110%. Hope you liked the video and hope you understood the process. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any other video, then make sure you comment below or send me a message on Brainly. And before ending the video, I would request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and also have a look at my Brainly profile. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.